Is the presentation visible to you all? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Sir, black screen हमारा sir और ऊपर में sir campus है
What?
Yes, sir, it is
sir
visible.
So now let us see the exercise 7.2. 7.2 yesterday first problem completed, na? Did you try the problems of the remaining problems of this exercise?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Second
sir.
one is I think very simple to you. We have discussed it in the previous class only. Same model, because we have proved it with the help of the perpendicular drawn only. The theorem we have proved using the this one only. So that is only asking to you in the second question. That is easily you can do it. Third problem, let us see here. Third one onwards. So the triangle ABC is given. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes A, B, C. This is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to the equal sides here. So here what is given in this? Given AB is equals to AC and show that altitudes are equal. So these altitudes are equal, we need to prove. So it is given that AB and AC. So what is given AB equal to AC and what is required to prove? To prove. What is to prove? Can anyone say? What is to prove? What are the
BA is equal
altitudes
to
here?
FC.
Sir, CF
Yes,
and BE are equal.
very good, very good. BE and CF are equal, very good. So these two. So now here you have to take triangles. Which triangles here actually in this figure you are going to get the multiple triangles. Which triangles to be taken into consider? Which triangles if you are proving congruent, then these two parts are equal, you can say. So you have to see that this is AB and BE. These two as a sides which triangle you are having. AB and BE. AB and BE already given, isn't it? And here this triangle to be taken into consider. I am going to mark it with another color here. See this 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 triangle and another one is with AC as a one side and CF as a one side. AC as a one side is this one, CF as a one side. So these two triangles to be taken into consider and we need to prove these two triangles are congruent. So what are the names of these triangles? In triangle ABE and triangle ACF. In ABE triangle AB equals to in ACF AC. Why? It is given. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So these two, this thing is given, and as well as here it is given to you the perpendicular. BE is perpendicular to AC, CF is perpendicular to J. So 90 degrees. So when the 90 degrees right angle triangles, actually these both the triangles are right angle triangles. So angle, you can consider the triangles as a ACF triangle, AFC angle, BEA angle. In this BEA angle, BEA is equals to AFC because both are 90 degrees. Okay, in a right angle triangle. So if you take into consider this right angle triangle
Sir,
and
but
this is
BA
hypotenuse.
is not marked as 90 degree.
What?
Sir, means I'm telling the BEC is marked as 90 degree, but BEA is not marked.
Very good. Not marked, but when it is given that BE is perpendicular to AC. So when BE
Oh,
is
okay, sir.
perpendicular to
Yes,
AC is given means this side
okay.
90 will be there and this side also 90 will be there. It is not marked here, but it is given. So
Sir,
these things, yes,
Okay, sir.
so here
yes.
can we write 180 minus 90?
90, 180 minus 90 you can write reason you are saying.
Yes, sir, reason.
Reason better you write instead of writing 180 minus. The best reason is that given BE is perpendicular to AC and it is given perpendicular and CF is perpendicular to AB. These two things are given. When these two things are given, automatically they are 90 degrees,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So 180 minus 90, instead of writing, better you write this reason. And see here, this angle is common in both. What is that angle? Angle BAE. Here angle is common. And angle BAE, angle in this triangle, red color triangle BAE, blue color triangle में CAF. But name is different, but the angle is same. So which congruency to be
So,
used here?
sir, we can mark the angles also common, no?
Yes, why not? If the angle is common in
Okay.
both the triangles, sides, as we are taken the side is common, in the same the angles whenever it is common, you can mark the angles as a common. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Mm. So now here, whenever you take into consideration which congruency with these three, you can say that these two triangles are congruent.
Angle side.
Angle. Most of the students will get confused that RHS. RHS should not be taken into consideration because in RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, and one side to be taken into consider. Right angle, hypotenuse, and side to be taken into consider. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So AAS congruency whenever you take by AAS criteria, you can say that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. Therefore, by CPCT, you can say that BE is equals to CF. This is only asking to you. Is it clear? Hmm?
Sir,
Hmm.
I face a problem, sir, regarding the proofs. That is, sir, means when the multiple triangles are divided,
Hmm.
means I feel confused that which two triangles should be
See,
taken into
yes,
consideration.
that's what I said here. Here, first of all, what is asking to you to, what is given, what is asking to you to prove. These two things you take into consider. You are getting confused that, sir, why do you take this triangle and this triangle? Why don't you take the uh,
Yes, yes, yes.
BEC triangle? You are saying. Suppose if you see here, this is given, this is required. These two, these two as a sides, which triangle you are having? AB as a one side, BE as a one side. You are having a triangle ABE. Did you get my point? That is the way you need to think. That's why I have taken ABE triangle and ACF triangle.
Means what is given and what is to prove. These two sides you have to need to consider.
Yes, by that only you will come to know that which triangle to be taken into consider. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Even see now I will make you to answer yourself. ABC fourth problem. Triangle ABC is given B and CF are the sides. Here altitudes are given. What is meant by altitude? Can anyone say?
Sir, the height of any triangle
Height.
measured from its
No,
known as
no, no, no.
altitude.
That is, no. Correct definition of the altitude is what? Altitude. Height always cannot be said as an altitude. That means yes, whatever your answer is said, you right only. But the original definition of the altitude is as a perpendicular line drawn from a vertex to its opposite side is called the altitude. This is the definition of the altitude. Did you get my point? See here, if you take an obtuse angle triangle, let's take here, draw an altitude from A, means what you will do, इसको extend करना पड़ता है इधर से perpendicular line रहेगा. This becomes an altitude from A to the BC. Did you get my point?
Sir, your voice is coming broader, sir.
Voice is not clear. Hello? Hello?
Sir, your voice is coming broader. It is not.
All it is not clear. All it is not clear for only.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir,
Not
for
clear.
all. Yes, sir, for all.
There is a network problem, I think so. Again. Okay, I will try to exit and again I will try to check. No, not clear. Hello? 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 Now is it clear?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Now can you hear properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the altitude is nothing but
Yes,
the
sir.
definition of the altitude is a perpendicular line drawn from a vertex to its opposite side is called the altitude. This is the definition of the altitude. Okay? Did you get my point? So this you keep into your mind. The fourth problem, whenever you see here, the question is given to you that ABC is a triangle and B and CF are the sides, altitudes. Same problem. Same question is actually. Previous question, whatever it is there, that is only asking to you to prove. But here the question is asking to you to prove ABE and ACF. That is only we have proved now. That is only we have proved. Did you notice? Here what is in the fourth question asking? Fourth question and third question you see that same here. But at last it is asking that what is the difference here? Here the question is little bit difference is there. What is the little bit difference you can find out? There AB and AC are equal given. Okay. Here altitudes are equal given. The difference is there here in this problem AB and AC are equal given. In this BE and CF are equal given in the fourth problem. Both are same only. Whatever it may be equal given these two triangles by A is congruency, you can prove it. It's a very simple thing, isn't it? Okay. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now let us see the fifth problem. Fifth problem, what is given? Fifth, two triangles are given to you here. ABC and DBC are isosceles triangles on the same base. Base is same, BC. On the same base, two isosceles triangles are there. One is here A, BC, and this one. These two are equal and these two are equal. So automatically what is show that angle ABD equal to angle ACD. ABD, this total angle equal to this one. Very simple here. These both are equal. These both are equal. Angles opposite to the equal sides. Angles opposite to the equal sides concept you use. Did you get my point?
Sir,
Sir,
in
yes,
this
sir.
question,
Uh,
sir, in this
uh,
question, can we draw a line AD?
what is the use of drawing a line, Eri? Tell me.
Sir,
Oh,
by drawing
oh,
AD,
you are saying that by drawing. Yes, it is right. She is saying that by drawing AD by SSS congruency, these two triangles she want to prove. Triangle.
yes, sir.
Sir, ninth sir. हाँ, check कर दीजिए. Ninth class. Class 9. Okay, very good, very good. Who said this one?
Sir, Antika.
Antika, very good बेटा, very good. आपने बढ़िया बोल दिया. Here, there, see, that is only. If I am saying only the one way, you will get the answer. If I am saying to you only because you are listening my word, and my mind is everyone is following. See here, different ways. That's why if I give a chance to you, you are going to get the different chances. Okay, it's very good answer here. She said that ABD triangle and ACD triangle, isn't it better? That what you said, na? These two triangles you want to prove
Yes,
it
sir.
congruence. Can anyone say by what congruency these two triangles are congruent?
Side angle side.
No.
Sir, SSS. Side
Sir,
side
angle
side.
side.
ना इधर एंगल किधर बेटा इक्वल गिवन someone said it. Someone said
AAS.
correct answer. No,
Sir,
AAS is
SSS. Side
very
side
good.
side congruency.
Very good. Because see here, this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and this side is common. Three sides of the one triangle are equal to the three sides. Here angles are equal anywhere else not given, isn't it? We have to prove this angle equal to this angle. That can be proved in two different ways. One way is using the congruency of the triangles, SSS congruency, you can use it. The another way is triangle ABD you take into consider, ABC you take into consider. In this triangle, it is given that AB is equals to AC. Then what you can say, angle ABC is equals to angle ACB. Angle this one. I am showing to you with another color. This angle, this this angle is equals to this angle. What is the reason? Can anyone say for that?
Sir, because angles opposite to the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal in isosceles triangles.
Very good. No need to say isosceles triangle, just angles opposite to the equal sides. This equal. In the same way, in a triangle, BCD you take into consider. Okay? BCD you take into in that it is BD is equals to BC.
Yes, sir.
Then from that angle DBC is equals to angle DCB. So then this and this, if you are adding automatically x plus y you are going to get, isn't it? So this is a second way of solving the problem. Two ways, yes. As Antika said that she want to prove that two triangles by drawing a one line. This is A, B, C, and D. She want to draw one line here. So she said that this is equal to this one, and BD is equals to CD, and AD is common in both triangles. Here, what two triangles? Mridanga, you say that triangles, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Uh,
what you
now,
said, sir?
you said that, sir. I'm getting confused with the what triangles should be
Yes, sir.
taken into consider.
Yes, sir.
Now, to prove SSS congruency by the SSS congruency, which triangles will you take
ABD
as
is
per the
equal to
Antika?
ACD.
Hmm?
ABD is equal to ACD.
Very good. Equal, not congruent. Don't use the
Congruence, sir. Sorry, sorry.
uh,
Sorry, sir.
never use the
Sir,
yes. Tell me.
So here we can take any side now.
What any side is nothing but?
So but ACD, triangle ACD is congruent to triangle ABD, or triangle CDA is congruent to triangle BDA, like this.
Wait, no, no. See what you said. Triangle CDA. Whenever you use, this will be congruent to.
BDA, triangle BDA.
Yes, yes, right. BDA. BDA
So
is.
because here we are using side, so if we take
Uh,
any side, then it is congruent only.
yes, yes. But naming is, see here. Whenever you use a triangle CDA congruent to, you cannot use a triangle ABD. This is wrong.
Yes, sir.
It is wrong. Whenever you use the ABD, if you want to use the ABD, ACD you have to use here. ACD, not CDA. Is it okay?
Sir, as said, it was means clear that if we take a means ADA line and ABD means DBA and DCA becomes, but when it is means the lines become clumsy and it then I said means
You are getting confused.
yes, yes. When
Is
it
it?
becomes too many lines and
See,
too many
it comes
triangles are formed.
to you through the practice. And when you see here, practice is nothing but you are not supposed to practice the only single problem. When you go through the different types, different problems, when you see the different figures, automatically you will get that idea. You don't go for the solution directly. That's why I'll give the chance to you people to solve yourself. First, you have to read the question and see here. This can be developed not only Mriganka, everyone. You hide the figure given in your textbook. You hide the figure given in your textbook and try to draw the figure as per the sentences given, as per the question given in your textbook. Figure, you have to draw it. You are not supposed to see the figure from your textbook directly. So that mostly 90% of the solution you are going to get from that only. Did you get my point? Sixth problem, whenever see that it is figure is given to you. Okay, so what is the question given? ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB is equals to AC. ABC is an isosceles triangle like this, in which AB is equals to AC, and BA is produced to D. BA is produced to D such that AD is equals to AB. These two parts are equal and again given, and join AD to produce it to D. Show that BCD angle is right angle. This is 90 degrees. You need to prove. Did you get my point? Question understood? ABC is an isosceles triangle. Here this side is equals to this side. Means AB equal to AC. And BA is produced to D such that AD is equals to AB. So when AD is equals to AB, you can say that AD is equals to AC also. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So from this, what you can say here, and we need to prove that this triangle is right angle triangle. BCD is 90 degrees. Triangle BCD is 90 degrees. Okay. How can you prove? See here, symbolically I am going to denote you. When these two sides are equal, this is equals to this XX. And in the triangle ADC, these two sides are equal. As this is equals to this one, AB is equals to AD given, AB is equals to AC given. So AD is equals to AC over. Then this angle will be is equals to this angle. See, don't consider that when the sides are equal, here most of the students will write here also X. That is wrong. Did you get my point here? This side length is equal. So is side length equal to another side here it is given. So it doesn't mean that these two lengths are equal whenever you get it. It doesn't mean that these angles are also equal to this angle. So here, what you have to write this presentation, given that AB is equals to AC, and AB is equals to AD. Okay, so in triangle ABC, AB is equals to AC implies that angle ABC is equals to angle ACB. These both I am considering as x. In the same way, in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, AD is equals to AC. You can write the reason directly, not given, as AD is equals to AB and AC is equal to AB and AB is equals to AC. So from this you can say that AD and AC are equal. Okay. Therefore AD opposite angle what? Angle ACD. Angle ACD is equals to angle ADC, which is equals to Y. So now both I have considered. So these three angles, if whenever you add, what do you get here? Angle ABC plus angle BCD plus angle ADC. Sum will be equals to what? 180 degrees. ABC is nothing but x. BCD is nothing but x plus y. And ADC is nothing but y. 180 degrees. So from this you are going to get 2 times of x plus y is equals to 180 degrees. X plus y is equals to 90. Here x plus y is nothing but angle angle BCD. Angle BCD is equals to this is one. Do you have any other idea to prove this one? Anyone? See here the problems look very simple whenever you consider here x and here y and y. Instead of that, if you consider ACB, ABC, ACD like that, most of the students will get confused. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear, hai na? Now let us go to the next problem. 7.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, will you explain the previous? Yes, sir, this one again.
This one.
Yes, sir.
So, in which step you are having a doubt? You tell me.
So,
Okay, I'll
the
explain to you
one
completely. See here, very simple. See here. First, I'll explain to you. Where you are having a doubt, you tell me. According to
so
that, I'll get.
triangle ADC, AD equal to AC. Bracket in
Hmm,
bracket you have written that AD equal to AB, AB equal to AC.
hmm,
From there,
hmm. Actually, can why I have to, this point is not given to you in your textbook. Is it given? AD and AC are equal, not given. It is given that this AB is equal to AD, and another way it is given that AB and AC are equal to that. From that, this length automatically will be equals to this one given and this one given. So these two parts AC and AD will be equal now, isn't it?
yes, sir.
So this is not given, but it is taken. Why I have taken? We have to write the reason compulsory. That reason I have written. Then AD opposite whatever the angle is there, you take the angle AD opposite angle in this triangle, ACD triangle, ACD angle, ACD angle, and AC opposite angle is this opposite angle is this one. What is that name? ADC. I considered the both as a Y. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now here when I consider like this angle is X, this angle is Y, this angle is X, and this angle Y. And this complete this triangle you take into consider. One triangle, single triangle. And sum of the three angles in a triangle will be equal to 180 degrees angle sum property. So this ABC is nothing but this angle, BCD is nothing but this angle, this completely. ADC is nothing but You can write ADC here, or you can write BDC also. Both are same only.
So means in the last one you are taking the whole triangle into consider.
Yes, yes, yes. Here you have to write. Here you have to write angle sum in triangle BCD. Isn't it? So at last what you will get, x plus y plus y is 180. X plus x is 2x, y plus y is 2y. So 2 times of x plus y, 2 times of x plus y is equals to 180, and x plus y is equals to 90. So from this BCD is equals to 90 degrees you are getting. Okay? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us see the 7th and 8th problems also. Just I will explain to you briefly, and you can do it very simple problems here. They are not very difficult to you. So in ABC right angle triangle, angle A 90 degrees given here. ABC right angle triangle, A is 90 degrees here. It is here. Okay. And A is equals to AC. AB is equals to AC. Angle B is equal to angle C. Find angle B and C asking. These two are equal automatically. This is 90. So what you will get, these two 45 45 you will get now. But how to prove? These two are equal, you write. You consider both are equal. XU plus angle A is equals to 180. Angle A 90 degrees you substitute here. So 2x is equals to 90, you will get x is equals to 45 degrees you will get. Oh, yeah, problem. Got my point?
Complete
Is
हो
it
गया.
clear? हाँ बस हो गया. That is only the problem. I see steps. Suppose A problem, this problem only if you want to write with the steps. See here, exam में लिखना है, diagram draw करो. A, B, C. This is angle. Given angle A is equals to 90 degrees, and AB is equals to AC. AB opposite angle क्या है? Angle C and angle B are equal. Both are equal. Isn't it? Here it is not necessary to consider x also. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. Angle sum property. Angle A 90 degrees.
Yes sir.
B and C are both are equal. So I am in the place of C, I will write the B 180 degrees. Take this 90 to the right side. 2 times of angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Angle B is equals to 45 degrees. When angle B is 45 degrees, angle C is also 45 degrees. That's fine. Eighth problem also like that, simply show that the angles of equilateral triangle are 60 degrees each. Actually, sir, we know that now. How do you prove it?
सर एक बार फिर से बोलो ना सर लास्ट वाला.
Which one?
This is the problem sir.
ये वाला 7th one.
Yes sir, 7. The last 3 steps please sir repeat.
अरे what is there बेटा? Here angle A 90 given, B C है. C का प्लेस में B and C are both are equal. Then C का प्लेस में B लिख दिया. 90 को उधर लेके गया. 180 minus 90 90 हो गया. 1B 2B हो गया. B is equals to 45. What is there? It is simple. Eighth problem also, in a equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. Prove करने के लिए बोल रहे. A, B, C. How do you prove it? Sir, we know that now it is 60 degrees, but we can prove it.
Sir, by angle sum property?
AB, same, like this only. AB is equals to BC, sorry. AB, equilateral triangle is nothing but AB equal to BC equal to AC.
Yes
So
sir, all
AB
the
equal
three
to,
sir.
AB equal to AC is nothing but angle B equal to angle C. AB is equals to AC is nothing but angle C is equals to angle B. This is first one. AC is equals to BC. Angle B is equals to angle A.
Angle A.
So from this you can say, from 1 and 2 you can say that angle A and angle B and angle C both 3 are equal. and their sum will be equals to angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. तीनों में all are equal. All are equal means all x मान लो, x plus x is equals to 180 degrees. 3x is equals to 180 degrees. X is equals to 60 degrees. So therefore x is nothing but angle A. Angle A is 60, angle B is 60, angle C is 60. All are 60 degrees. That's all. This is the proof. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
Very good. Sir, you want to talk? You want to talk here? उधर. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Principal sir is here. Please wait for a while. And sir want to talk.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.